Hey everyone, I'm Nicole, the cell phone repair trainer here at CellBotics, and this is
I'm Michelle, the computer lady, and I teach the computer hardware repair side.
okay. So we want to make a video about repair for retirees. So you are retired or are going to be retired, and you are trying to find some sort of income that you can earn to supplement your income or just enjoy life a little bit more, right? We get a lot of retirees. Let me say that first, okay? All types of ages. I mean, I think the youngest we had was 98. That was, yeah. He was, I mean, going, running his business, doing his thing. I like to talk about this topic because we do get calls where people say, is my age going to limit me? How many years do I have in this? Can I make an income pretty quickly, or am I going to have to invest years to actually turn a profit? And so, I want to say about your age, I don't think that plays a negative role. I actually think it plays a positive role, especially when you're dealing with getting commercial accounts. So I feel like your age may come across wiser to corporations who want to deal with someone who they feel like may have some time in the industry, even though you're just joining it. So it's just the perception of it. Yeah. So, if you built your company and you want to go out and get commercial accounts where you're doing repair for them or even doing consulting for them, or I think that's going to give you a benefit and it's not going to be a downfall. Okay. And we do teach you all of that in class.
Well, the other
Uh-huh.
thing is, look at me. Now,
Mhm.
I'm a boomer, so I appeal to people within my age group as well. The one thing about dealing with younger technicians, a lot of times they won't take the time with us seniors that we need in order to go through the repair.
Yeah.
So when you're talking to people our age, that some of us are scared of technology, when you have someone that's relatable, and that's us seniors,
Mhm.
it's easier to get to and to talk to when you know somebody is like they understand where you're coming from. That's the other benefit that you bring as a senior into this opportunity. Think about retirement villages,
Oh yeah.
55 plus communities.
Mhm.
We have senior events. They want to see people like us in the industry because one, we know how to treat each other. I'm
Mhm.
not saying that the young folks can't treat us well. I'm just saying that there are so many years and levels of understanding with us that they don't know about. And that's why we need retirees. And guess what? You get to work your own schedule.
Yeah.
You get to travel and do repairs. Go to the hotel, they got a printer problem. Oh, let me look at your printer for a minute. Clean it up, do a maintenance on it. Here's a free night, or just send me an invoice. These kind of things that you can do while you're traveling.
Mhm.
You can set your own schedule. The one thing about retiring is not having to work for someone else. Now you want to supplement and work for yourself. The question is what? How much do you need to supplement? Do you need just $1,200 a month? Do you
Mhm.
need $2,000 a month? You're going to be able to decide how much work you want to do in order to supplement your income to live the life that you want to.
Yeah, definitely. And to touch on the mobile thing a little bit more, so we do have people that are living in RVs that are traveling and doing repair in different cities. So we do talk about that and how you can get business that way. And as you may expect, some of it is online, but still a lot of it is just being out in the community and talking to people and being involved. And I feel like you're going to have access to a section of the community that someone like she was saying that's a lot younger might not have as much welcome in that type of setting.
Absolutely.
So I really think that if you feel like you can do it, and I probably don't have to tell you this, you can do it. And it's for beginners. So if you're like, well, I have never worked in IT or touched any, I don't even know what a Phillips head screwdriver is. We teach you that in class. So this is for beginners from the very beginning, don't know anything. We take it step by step. So there's not going to be anybody in the class that's going to already be fixing phones, already be fixing computers, already doing printers, and you're going to be left behind or feeling insufficient or insulted. That's not going to happen. Okay. So don't be afraid. If you feel like you can do it and you want to take a chance with this, We'll be there to support you. And I think you being retired is going to give you so much more leverage in this industry because you'll really be able to work where you want and work on your own schedule and also adapt to other people's schedule. So you'll be able to meet your customers when they want to meet you versus, someone who's working full time and trying to do this at the same time.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, we hope to see you in class. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us. If you don't feel comfortable registering online, that's fine. You can call us. We can register over the phone too. Also, email. So reach out to us, and we look forward to having you in class.